this is how you're going to extract zip file in Hostinger. So step 1 is you're going to log into Hostinger from the hpanel.hostinger.com, and then you will be able to see your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you will see this left side panel where you can find the website. So this is where you can find all of your existing websites. So you're going to click on that, and then in the sidebar, just click on Files and then click on File Manager. Step 2, in the File Manager, you're going to open the folder where you want your files. So it usually is public_html. Now you're going to click on upload button or drag and drop the .zip from your computer. Step 3, after upload, you're going to right click uploaded .zip file and choose extract. You're going to choose the destination folder and confirm, while file manager supports .zip, tar.gz, etc. Step 4, if you uploaded a full site backup, make sure index.html or index.php is in public_html so the site loads. If file manager is not available, especially for hosting your website builder sites, you're going to use FTP or the builder's import tool. Step 5, you're going to verify file permissions. Folders usually 755 files, 644, and open your domain in a browser to check. And that's it. That is how you're going to extract zip file in Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.